Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see the silent mode switcher. Just to turn on or turn off silent mode, you should click here once on the switcher by this way. Here also we can activate the don't disturb mode. We can set the shadow, start time, end time, and just to change the settings of the don't disturb here. Also we got the volume panels, the media, ringtone, notification, and alarm volume panels. We just can change the volume of the alarms, notification, ringtones, and media just by swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with our finger. Also here we got the ringtone and notification sound section. We can change them just or by select the available sounds or just to set the customs. Also got here the vibration settings. We can turn on or turn off the vibration on ring, on silent mode. We can change the vibration intensity also on ring, on vibration. Also we have here the haptics and tones section settings. We can activate or turn on system haptics. Also we can change them intensity and just to switch the touches feel here. And to also we got here the more advanced sound settings. We can activate the dial pad tones, screen lock sound, screenshot sound, deletion sound, fingerprint animation sound, and touch sounds. And just by to turn on or to turn off all of these options, we should to click once on the switchers by this way. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.